Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Nike HYPERDUNK 2017. This one is the limited edition. So we were just checking out the walk around the city there, and then my son copped this. This one is a pretty good price. Whatever the on sale price plus additional 30% off. So let's go ahead and this is from the Nike outlet store by Citadel. So here is the label right here. Okay, as you can see, original price is $130, and this is a men's size 8.5 HYPERDUNK 2017 low limited edition. It says a multicolor, made in Vietnam. Guess that's the style number. So I guess it was marked down at $69.97, and then he got marked down again for $49.97. All right. So we take out like a additional 30% off. That's another $15 off, so 35 something plus tax. So the total out of the door was about 38 something, some change. Okay. So that was a pretty awesome deal. You cannot buy this for 38 something, you know. So let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, the box is already messed up. And then whatever's on the shelf, they always take out the lid. So this is nice olive green with like almost like a white or cream midsole, and then on the outsole it is gum. This is like a nice leather suede, pretty smooth and soft. You got the Nike small Nike embroidery swoosh logo over there, and then you got a bigger one right here, and on the back right here is kind of different and weird. I guess they cut this open and then stitch it together, as you can see. And there are two strands of the threads right here on the back of the heel cup, and there's like a what is that, 13.3.420, 420, 647-JD, and then you got the arrow. And then on this side is doing the same thing. There's a cut open with the stitchings. And you got another swoosh, Nike swoosh logo on this side. So on the both you got another two more strand right here nearby the lace hole right here on the left and right hand side. Just kind of weird design and unique. And on the inner tongue it says arrow going down with the enter. And right here is kind of plush, not too thick. And right here just thin leather. And then there's a size label right there. Made in Vietnam. And on the insole, you got that Nike swoosh right there on the center of the circle. The insole is glue in, so I cannot take it out and remove it. And then right here around your foot, it's all pretty padded. And then here is the other side. This is men's size 8.5 right there with the sticker on there. Then my son said he tried this on, and then he says pretty comfy. It seems like it's pretty sturdy. Hopefully it's not gonna rip, because he always rip his shoes. I don't know why. Normally the flight net material Vans with the canvas, he ripped them so much, so easily. So this one is cheaper than the flight net, and hopefully this one is gonna last a longer period of time for him. So weird. This one, it says has a circle and then number 4 on here. It's a shoes tree. Again, you got the 2 at the stranded thread right there. Again, right here. Check out the numbers here, they are the same. Oh no, it is different. Right here it says 4V35 or something. So I'm not sure what those numbers represent. If you guys viewers out there know what those numbers represent, please drop a comments on below so you can share with our viewers. So this is gonna stain right there. So well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. So I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, please stay tuned for the on feed for these shoes real quick. All right, peace.